Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're a guy who's in his 40s, 50s, or 60s, you've come to the right place. Look, we all know that aging is inevitable, right? But that doesn't mean we can't do it with our heads held high and feeling our absolute best. Today, we're diving into some game-changing tips that will boost your health, fitness, and mindset as you get older. And I promise, this isn't just any boring talk about aging. We're talking real, actionable steps that you can start today. No magic pills, no crazy diets, just practical advice you can actually use. Let's get into it. As we get older, our body doesn't bounce back like it used to. I feel it too, believe me. Remember those days when we could pull an all-nighter and still feel fresh? Yeah, those days might be gone. But here's the thing. You don't need to run marathons to stay fit. Movement is key. Whether it's daily stretching, walking, or simple bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups, staying active is crucial. You know I'm all about that doctor-recommended lifestyle, and trust me, just 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Think about it this way. Would you rather spend 20 minutes a day moving your body, or feel that nagging stiffness and lack of energy later? It's an investment in your future self, guys. And the best part, you don't need a gym, your living room, a nearby park, even your office during a break. It's all fair game. No fancy equipment, no monthly fees, just you and your commitment to feeling good. Start small. Maybe it's a brisk walk around the block after dinner or a quick stretching routine before bed. The key is consistency. Make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth, and your body will thank you. I challenge you to find something you enjoy. Something that doesn't feel like a chore. Maybe it's dancing with your partner, playing catch with your kids, or finally trying that rock climbing gym you've been eyeing. Movement should be fun. And hey, if you miss a day, don't beat yourself up about it. Life happens. Just get back on track the next day. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. So what are you waiting for? Get up, get moving, and feel the difference. Now let's talk about mindset. Here's the secret. Your age is not a limitation, it's an asset. I know, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, I'm getting older so I'm slowing down. But no way. With age comes wisdom, perspective, and experience. You've seen things, you've learned things, you've overcome challenges. That's something to be proud of, not something to shy away from. Instead of seeing it as a negative, embrace it. You're in a unique position to make some powerful choices. You know what's important to you, you've learned from your mistakes, and you have the confidence to go after what you want. Shift your mindset, and suddenly your 40s, 50s, or 60s become the best years of your life. These years are about living with intention, pursuing your passions, and making the most of every single day. Don't let anyone tell you it's too late. It's never too late to learn a new skill, start a new hobby, or chase a long-forgotten dream. In fact, you might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of. Remember, age is just a number. It's your attitude, your outlook, your mindset that truly defines you. So embrace this chapter of your life with open arms and a youthful spirit. You've got this. Chapter 3. All right, gents, let's talk nutrition. As we age, what we put into our body becomes even more important. You've heard it before, you are what you eat. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor for health. Think of your body like a high-performance machine. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a Ferrari, would you? Your body deserves the best, especially now. Try including more lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies into your meals. Foods like salmon, quinoa, and leafy greens will help you maintain energy and build muscle. Key for guys in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. And hey, I'm not saying you have to give up all the good stuff completely. Enjoy that steak or pizza once in a while, but make sure you're balancing it out with nutrient-rich choices most of the time. One of my favorite tips is to start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. It sets you up for success and helps curb those mid-morning cravings. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Hydration is also key. Carry a water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. It's amazing how much better you feel when you're properly hydrated. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. Small tweaks to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Chapter 4. Here's a big one, work-life balance. Now that you've got a bit more experience under your belt, it's important to carve out time for you. This could mean spending time with family, traveling, or diving into a new hobby. You've worked hard, you've built a life for yourself, and now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Don't let yourself get so caught up in the daily grind that you forget to actually live. Whatever it is, make sure you're living life on your terms. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, but remember, time is precious, so make it count. Make time for the things that bring you joy, the people who make you smile, and the experiences that create lasting memories. This might mean setting boundaries, learning to say no, or delegating tasks. It's about prioritizing your well-being and making sure you're not neglecting your own needs. Remember, life is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, take breaks when you need them, and don't be afraid to slow down and enjoy the view along the way. So, we've covered a lot today. Staying active, the power of mindset, fueling your body, and living a balanced life. Remember, age is just a number. It's how you feel and what you choose to do with your time that really matters. I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's tips. Which one are you going to focus on? Or maybe you've got your own tips. Drop them below and let's get a conversation going. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're ready to take action, hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay smart, and keep rocking your age.